Hello guys, welcome to the course, Mastering ChatGPT. Really glad to have you here, and I'm really excited to kind of go through this and share this with you guys, people who are enthusiastic about these sort of technological revolutions that are happening. ChatGPT is one of them, and last year, 2022, was one of the biggest years for AI, and 2023 is going to be probably even bigger. So keeping on top of these things, I think, is really important. And I've been sharing kind of my experimentation with this ChatGPT with kind of everybody I know, just to tell them, hey guys, this is like a really crazy thing, and you can utilize it and leverage it to its potential right now, and even see increases in productivity right now, and no matter what your job is. So that's what's really exciting about this. And I'm passionate for it, and I hope you guys will be as well. So these are kind of the things I do pretty often, and I think that depending on your industry, some of them might be the same or similar, but even if they're not, ChatGPT can be used based on your knowledge. So even I'll show many examples in these different industries here, but even if this is not you and you are in some industry, for sure, your knowledge can go into ChatGPT and you can kind of work with it as an assistant. So that's a lot of what this class will be about. So things I do often, I'm a visual effects artist in my day job, but I also have my own company where I teach visual effects. So I do 3D design and stuff like that. But I've also done e-commerce companies, social media marketing for my own company online. So I understand the principles of e-commerce and social media, as well as business fundamentals and finance and stuff like that. So there are some broad concepts discussed on those topics. But I also do, script writing, storytelling, research and learning constantly for my job. It's part of my job. So if you're a coder, if you're someone who's constantly researching things or reading articles and trying to find information, that will also be, I think, helpful for you. Although I have a few coding examples that are relatively simple if you're, a full-time coder. But hopefully some of the broad examples and just the sort of methods and way of thinking will be what you get out of this course, no matter who you are. So spreadsheets and personal finance, stuff like that as well. I do think it will help as well. So if you're using any software on the computer, ChatGPT has basically read the entire internet. So anything that is language or documentation, it's probably read it, and it can probably regurgitate it fairly accurately. And so we'll go over that in the next kind of lessons here.